Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML head element and other elements we can place inside the head element. One of it is also the HTML style element. The HTML style element can be placed inside the head element. The style element is used to define the style information for a single HTML page. For example, you can see when you have opening and closing style tag. Inside there, you can place your style properties and the attributes and selectors. So let me show you how it goes. Back to our document right here. You can check our previous tutorial where we discussed about the head element. We have discussed about the title element inside the HTML head element. You can check the playlist on the HTML head element. So quickly, let me show you how this works. Let's check our page the way it looks. As you can see, it is empty right now and no style or anything there right now. Inside our head element here, let's place a style there. Let's use style. Style is equal to, inside this style, let's use some CSS. Let's say body. This is the way we write something inside the style element. We say background color. We can give it background color is equal to blue violet. I like blue violet. Now save our document and reload it quickly. Let's reload it and see how it goes. Can you see our document now? It's having this kind of color. You can see it's very nice. So that's how you use your style element inside your HTML head elements. So, and also when you, for instance, now when you have anything you are having inside your body tag here, you can style it and make it reasonable. So let's now say, for instance, now we want to style our head element. Is it possible using this style element? Let's try it if it's possible. Oh yeah, quickly, let's write head here. All right, head here, style it. Let's say let's give it color. Let's give it border. Let's give it border, right? When we give it border, let's give it 1 pixel solid red. So let's see if it will style. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Nothing happens because we can only do what? The only place that our document starts displaying something is where is at this body. Right from this body and inside everything inside this body, it can be displayed and it can be styled. Let's say, for instance, now we want to copy this title also and style it using this style. So let's save it. Let's copy it and paste it there. Reload. Can you see? No style there. So that is what we are talking about. So we can only style anything that is inside of our body tag here. Quickly, let's write h1 and style it h1 here and place it and give it hello everyone. When we place everyone inside here, it's going to have a style. Let's now give it a style. Let's change this one to h1 and we change it to h1 and reload our document. Can you see hello everyone is having style right now? And we can give it color white, and we can give it color white so you can see what we are talking about. Color white. I give it color white, reload. Can you see hello everyone? So that's the benefit of using what? Your style element inside your head element. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much and make sure you practice. Bye bye. Until the next.